What up, Smart Rapper Gang? I have really good news before we get into this video. Gang! YouNow reached out to me and they offered me a partnership. So they made me a partner, which is freaking amazing. But this has a lot of really good things for you guys. And I'm gonna get you really excited about this real quick. Every Thursday night is 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's West Coast, LA time. So if you're in New York, you're gonna be like 3 hours ahead. If you're in the Midwest, you're gonna be like 2 hours ahead. I'm gonna live stream. So what does this mean? Check this out. So remember how I was doing rap tweaks where you submit your song and I do a review of your song? Well, what I'm gonna do now is this, one, I'm gonna answer questions that you guys have, so you can ask me questions directly, hang out with me every Thursday for 30 minutes to an hour. We're gonna figure it out, we'll work out the kinks, but I'm also gonna do live versions of rap tweaks. Right, that means that you first come, first serve, first people on there ready to submit their song. I'm gonna do a live stream of that person on air, or maybe I'll hold a game, and if you can answer a question correctly, then you'll get your song reviewed. You'll actually be able to get on camera with me if you want, and you'll be able to shout yourself out and be like, hey, here's my Instagram, go follow me, blah, blah, blah. And then I'm gonna do a live review of your song and say what you need to fix, which, you know what I'm saying, all that stuff right there. You're gonna get seen by everybody. This is amazing. Plus, like I said, you get to ask extra questions, whatever questions you might have. And this is going to replace the Thursday video. You get to hang out. I'm really excited for this. Then I'm gonna take the best content from the live streams and turn those into videos for people who missed it, plus add other stuff to them, which means that your music, if you're on the Rap Tweaks, inside of the Rap Tweaks and getting your music reviewed, you'll also get seen by the 50,000, 55,000, 60,000 subscribers that we have on the channel, and scoring by 10,000 subscribers a month. So every Thursday, 6 o'clock, Pacific Standard Time, 6 o'clock West Coast time, all right? Go Google and see the difference. If you don't know time zones yet, 6 o'clock PST every Thursday. This is replacing the Thursday video. I want you guys to know this. This takes way more effort than shooting and editing a video, but now I can actually interact with you guys directly. So what's gonna happen is it's going to live stream directly to YouTube while I'm also live streaming to YouNow. It actually is connected so that they have a partnership where it works like that, which is really cool. But check this out. So I want you guys to go ahead and click my link. I'm gonna put a link below for you guys to download YouNow so you can watch it from your phone or whatever, but please actually go click it. Like, the more that you guys download, go click the link. The more of you that go and click that unique link that YouNow gave me, and you use that link to download the YouNow app, the more that YouNow is going to be able to help us, because the more people I can get there, the more they're gonna help us get on the front page. We'll be able to grow Smart Rapper. We'll be able to get more people in there, and which means that every time you get on the Rap Tweaks episode, more people are viewing and hearing your music. So go click the unique link. It'll help the whole Smart Rapper gang out. Click that link below, and that is going to help us immensely. I really appreciate it. Also, we're gonna play games in it. You can ask me music industry questions, anything you wanna ask, and if I know the answer, then I'll give you the answer, and if I don't know the answer, then I'll figure out the answer and you can ask me it next time. Okay, go do that now or do it after the video. I'll put it as the top comment as well.